Hello, my name is Ricardo Cadena with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video is about manually backing up and restoring a Mediant 3000 Element Management System Server Release 6.2. The Element Management System Server enables centralized administration and management of high-density trunking audio codes gateways. Supported media gateways include the Mediant 3000 and G860. All management data is stored in an Oracle database on the server. It is important to regularly back up any system that provides a critical service or stores important information. We will demonstrate how to manually back up and restore EMS Server Release 6.2 management database information. Audio Codes Release 6.2 software corresponds to both the Avaya Release 2 classification for the Audio Codes Mediant 3000 and Release 3 classification for the G860. It is recommended that the EMS be manually backed up after any important system changes. This will prevent the loss of any important configuration data if a failure occurs between the time the changes were completed and a scheduled backup. A manual backup may be performed via a command line interface EMS Server Management menu option. First, access the EMS Server command line interface using a standard permissions account. To access the complete EMS Server Management menu, you must use an account with superuser level permissions. Once at a superuser level prompt, enter EMS Server Manager to access the EMS Server Management menu. The menu provides a numbered list of available options. We will first perform a backup of EMS data. Enter 20 to select the Backup the EMS Server option. You are immediately informed that the backup files can only be restored on the identical software version from which it was made, and instructed to press any key to continue. After hitting any key, the manual backup script executes and performs a backup of the EMS database. EMS Server Manager specific configurations such as network, interface redundancy, and security are not backed up by this procedure. The backup does generate two files, EMS export.dmp, which contains server database information, and EMS Server Backup.tar, which contains all version directories. All EMS server files and the database are backed up to one of these files. When the backup has completed successfully, a confirmation message saying the database export terminated without a warning is displayed. Press Enter to continue. The EMS Server Management menu is again displayed. You may select another option or enter Q to quit. The EMS export.dmp and EMS Server Backup.tar files are saved in the /ACEMS/NBIF/EMS Backup directory. These files must be saved to a location other than the EMS server to ensure against data loss. To restore backup files, once again access the EMS Server Management menu by entering EMS Server Manager. All EMS server configurations performed via the EMS Server Manager, such as security and networking, should be performed prior to performing the restore operation. The server on which data is being restored should be at the same security or hardening level as the server from which it was backed up. Enter 22 to enter the Restore the EMS Server option. You are told that the restore action can be performed only with backup files which were previously created in the same EMS version. You are also told to press any key to continue. After pressing any key, EMS server software is taken down. Press Enter to continue. You must ensure that your backup files are named EMS export.dmp and EMS Server Backup.tar and are placed in the /ACEMS/NBIF/EMS Backup directory. Once performed or confirmed, press Enter and the restore proceeds. You will be prompted to respond to an overwrite question. Enter Y and then hit the Enter key. A finished notification appears. Press Enter to continue. The EMS Server Management menu is again displayed. You may select another option or enter Q to quit. The EMS Server Management database information has been restored. For additional information on managing the EMS server, reference the Element Management System version 6.2 Installation, Operation, and Maintenance Manual. EMS server documentation is contained on the EMS Software and Documentation disk or in the ISO available for download from plds.avaya.com. Thank you for your time today. We hope this information was useful. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. Thank you for choosing Avaya.